The base of a hexagonal prism is shown on the grid. Each square on the grid represents 1 square unit. The height of the prism is 5 units. What is the volume of the hexagonal prism? Pause the video, have a go at that. All right, so let's just visualize what's happening. We have a prism where the base is this hexagon. So the base might look like that. And then it has a height of 5 units. So doing my best to draw that. And then the top of it will look the same as the base. So what we need to do to figure out the volume of this, I hope this was kind of making sense, it's a little bit messier of a drawing than I wanted, is for a prism like this, if you can figure out the area of the base, maybe I'll shade that in pink, and then you multiply that times the height, which is 5 units, so you multiply it times a height of 5 units, then you're going to get its volume. So let's figure out the area of the base, and we'll just multiply that by 5. And to figure out this area, they gave us a nice grid, and we can actually break this hexagon up into pieces here and figure out the area of each of these pieces, and then that will help. So let's do it this way. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. 1/2 base times height. So this triangle right over here, its base is 2. Its height is 4. 2 times 4 is 8, but you take half of that, it's 4 square units. By that same logic, this one would also be 4, this one would be 4, this one would be 4, and then this big rectangle right over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 times 8 is equal to 40. And so if we add all of this up, we have 4 4s, that's 16, plus 40, the entire base right over here is going to be 56 square units, 540 plus 16. Now we just multiply that times 5, 56 times 5 times the height of the prism, and that's going to get us to, let's see, 6 times 5 is 30, 5 times 5 is, or 50 times 5 is 250. 250 plus 30 is 280 cubic units. And we are done.